Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to log out Google account in laptop or PC. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! If your computer stays at home or in a secure office and no one else ever uses it, then it's perfectly alright to leave yourself signed into your Google account at all time. The same true is if your phone is never out of arm's reach. On the other hand, signing in back into Google takes all of 10 seconds, so you might want to consider signing out of your Google account when you are done using it anyway. So how to do it? If you want to sign out, you want to log out from your Google account on PC or laptop. It's very simple. So first of all, you can just open your browser or Google in here that log in with your account, Google account that you want to log out. And from here, you can just select on your Google account profile, this one, not this one. So you can select in here. So you'll find there is an option sign out. You can just select on sign out or log out if you want to log out. But if you want to add another account, you can select on add account. But because we want to log out, we want to sign out, you can just select on sign out like this. So all your bookmark history, password, and more are no longer being seen to your account but will remain on this device. So now we can sign in again or just continue. You can just select on continue. So now you have sign out, log out your Google account from this device, from this PC or laptop. There is a note pause. It means you have log out from this device. It's very simple, right? And if you want to remove, you want also remove this account from your browser. You can just do like this. You can open your Chrome, Home, select on the three dots of the Google profile. There's an option delete. You can just delete it. Delete this profile. You can just delete it. It's very simple, right? So that is how to look out, how to sign out from your Google account in laptop or PC. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.